Many pre-retirees are uncertain about their choices when it comes to enrolling in Medicare. There are two main ways to get your coverage. You can choose the traditional fee-for-service Medicare, known as Original Medicare, or a Medicare Advantage Plan. Medicare Advantage plans are similar to an HMO, which stands for Health Maintenance Organization, or a PPO, which stands for Preferred Provider Organization. Original Medicare consists of Part A, hospital insurance for in-hospital care, and Part B, medical insurance for outpatient services like doctor visits and lab tests. Medicare Advantage, known as Part C, is a managed care option that rolls all the different parts of Medicare into one. There may be extra coverage like dental and vision. And everyone on Medicare is eligible for prescription drug coverage, either from a Part D plan or a Medicare Advantage plan offering drug coverage. There are many considerations that can factor into the Medicare planning process. Let us help you with your important Medicare decisions. Visit our website or give us a call today.